Hey guys, it's Jolene here. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel, where I make modern farmhouse home decor right here in my basement in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Sometimes I teach the crafty stuff, sometimes I teach the business stuff, but today we're going to rant. So I'm going to rant while I sew a couple of things here. So I need to increase my production tremendously. So I've taught myself, and you may have seen this before, where I sew on two machines at the same time. So on this machine, I am going to sew the cross section of these soup bowl cozies. So these are cute little gnome soup bowl cozies that I'm making for Christmas. And I know it's June, but I've got lots of things to share today, so I'm going to tell you all about it, spill the tea, and I need to make Christmas stuff in June because I'm at that level now. And the other thing I'm going to sew today is this 39 strip jelly roll rug. If you've been here for a while, you know that I'm known as the Rug Lady. All of the products, of course, are available on my website, which is homestitcherydecor.com. I will put a QR code here if you want to go and have a look at it. And I'm going to tell you about all the goings on here that have been happening the last couple of weeks. And the one thing for sure that I'm going to tell you about right off the top, because I'm so uber duper actually mad about it. I'm so mad. It's ridiculous how mad I am. But I'm mad. My Facebook business account got hacked. And no surprise to anybody that this happens. It happens to everybody at some point, I think, pretty much going into business. But I'm just so uber duper disappointed in the way of the world today, and the fact that they took my credit card and spent some money on it through Facebook professional services, whatever the heck that means. And now I've had to cancel my credit card, change all my passwords, which I was changing on the regular anyway, and basically wait. They've given me that little, there, pat on the bottom. In fact, the email that I got from, first I initially complained about the fact that I'd been hacked. And I'll tell you how I know in a minute, but the email they sent after the initial, oh yeah, we're looking at it, is this other guy, and his opening line is, "Hi, I hope you're having a great day." Like, seriously? I hope you're having a great day? How could I possibly be having a great day? This just is nonsensical to me. Okay, so I've had a Facebook business account for forever, and it was Home Stitchery Decor. And essentially, like every other business on Facebook, we, post the goings on of our businesses, and we tell stories, and we show off our products, and we try to interact with our customers, and, just support other local businesses through having a small business, which is why you should always support small businesses, because we're the ones that are putting the money back into the local community day in and day out. We are not shopping at Walmart. So yeah, they took it. I'm so mad about it. I'm so mad about it. Okay. So, because I'm a responsible business owner, I of course knew that I needed to have, all the, 2, 3, 4 factor security things set up on it. So I've, got the backup emails, I've got the backup codes, I've got the 2-factor authentication thing on. So technically nobody else should be able to sign on to my account from anywhere without it sending a notification to me telling me somebody's trying to sign on to your stuff, and is this you, and enter all your codes. But apparently that's not exactly how it works with Facebook. And on top of me being mad about the fact that I've been hacked, I'm actually pretty mad at Facebook, because why on earth do they have all these 2, 3, 4, authentication things if they don't work? Like, why, if they don't work? And then why are they not able to get back in there and just say, okay, this person has done this nefarious thing, and now they are completely blocked from Facebook, and anything they ever touched, through their IP address that has ever come onto Facebook is now blocked for infinity. Plus all of their friends that they're linked to, or all of the networks that have ever been linked to this IP address, should be also blocked. Like, come on. It's like 2023 here, people. It's not freaking rocket scientists that are developing these things. These are Facebook engineers that are able to create Facebook. They know what kind of toilet paper I use, for crying out loud. They know what kind of toilet paper we use. So why can't they just block people? So, yeah, I've made the complaint. I'm going to do whatever I can to get my Facebook page back. I'm changing all my passwords. I'm trying to keep up to date on everything. And that, folks, is the end of the rant. Because as much as I could sit here and, complain about stuff all day, I've made my points. That is not going to help my business grow. What is going to help my business grow is people like you watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up or a smile, or, an encouraging word right now at this time of, I am so uber duper frustrated. That would be how I'm going to grow my business. So I'm going to choose to stay positive. I'm going to choose to sew 2 products here at the same time, live on camera, for all the people to see. Okay, so now, how I found out that I got hacked. First of all, I have my other half as a backup ads manager on my account. So he never even had Facebook until I knew that I was going to grow my business. And then I set him up an account, which he can use at his own free will, but he just didn't even know how to set it up. And then I made him the ads manager. And then when these people broke into my account, he actually got 5 emails saying that he had been removed as the ads manager on this account. And I believe that's because I had multiple ads running, was testing multiple ads across different platforms. So I believe they took him off one by one. And then the next thing that happened was I got a notification from my credit card telling me I was reaching the limit of my credit card. Well, that's just not possible for me. I was actually at my day job when I got that notification. So I knew immediately that something was up. And then in this other news that I should make a video about this, but I haven't even actually made this entirely public yet. But months and months ago, a company called Tailwind approached me and they wanted some feedback on Pinterest. And so I gave them some feedback on Pinterest. And then my company was one of 2 companies in the world that they put through a pilot program running artificial intelligence ad technology on our Facebook pages. So I've been working closely with Tailwind for months. They do not pay me. I was using their product long before they asked me to give them any feedback. I am an affiliate for them now. They do have a fabulous Pinterest scheduling plan. I've personally made some suggestions for how to improve their products, and those suggestions are live on their platform, so that's fantastic. And I have a team meeting with them basically once every week to 2 weeks. And we go over, things with their technology and things that could help me grow my business. So essentially, I've been welcomed into Tailwind and I give them feedback on their products. And in exchange for that, I get access to their people that are really smart that I would never have access to on my own. So that's exciting, and I'm happy to do that. So Tailwind had access to the ads manager account as well because they were running the artificial intelligence ads on my account. And basically what that means is they put out an ad with ad copy and then they test it against, time of day that people are interacting with it, and just try to get your cost per ad down, and let you know the audiences, so the kind of people that are most interacting. It's the same thing that Facebook would use to figure out what kind of toilet paper you're using. So I've been working with them, and they got a notification as well, and went into work on something on my ads on the same morning that my other half got all these emails, and they were kicked out of it too. So the second I was done working at my day job, I ran home, and the first thing I did was look at my credit card, and sure enough, there was charges on my credit card that were not mine. And then I tried to get onto my Facebook account, and I was able to log into Facebook, and I had the intentions of changing my password right that very minute. But up on the screen popped up this, hey, there's, you know, suspicious activity happening on your Facebook account. And there was like a screen that had all these different logins. And one of the logins that popped up is from London in the United Kingdom. And I don't have anybody on my team that's working out of London. So I knew immediately that that was going to be a problem. So before I clicked off of that, I screenshotted it. And then I started filing the complaint and, you know, sent a notification to Facebook that this had happened, and was dialing my credit card company at the same time. So my credit card company is pretty good. They're like, hey, you know, you've got purchase protection, and no matter what anybody does that's illegal on your account, you're not going to be held responsible for that. So we got that shut down. And now I'm basically in a holding pattern. The last email I got was this guy saying to me, hey, I hope you're having a great day.